means you can't put a turret up onto this banister. Secondly, the red box where I'm standing right now, right in the middle where I'm standing, this is where our keepers will be seen outside the front.
Mahulog si Anika, no? Oh my God.
Romy contains blood, which might splatter onto your clothes, so otherwise, please give our keepers some space to push against the
Alam niya na nakakain siya.
Alright guys, once again, are you excited to see the white tiger? Mini treasure? Well, we're going to start very, very shortly. Please do be patient. Thank you.
Look, the tiger's waiting for school. He's so pretty.
Kita mo people dia situ.
Wait, wait.
Yeah.
Oh, Barney, alright.
Galing pala lumungoy nito eh, no?
Look, ano ba? Look at the tiger.